At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, October 24, 2023, Archer Aviation's class action lawsuit dismissed. A central irony still hangs over the electric vertical takeoff and landing specialist. Shares of electric vertical takeoff and landing manufacturer Archer Aviation moved higher on Tuesday. A plaintiff voluntarily dismissed a class action lawsuit against Archer. Still, Archer's stock will likely depend on legal backing to truly take off. Following a positive development in the legal sphere, shares of Archer Aviation, NYSE, ACHR, a manufacturer of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, moved higher on Tuesday. Earlier, the company became the subject of a class action lawsuit alleging the misleading of investors. However, the plaintiff in the case voluntarily dismissed the suit. Still, Archer's stock probably won't be out of the legal realm indefinitely. According to Archer's press release, the electric vertical takeoff and landing specialist announced this morning that the plaintiff filing the federal securities lawsuit on September 21, 2023, has chosen to dismiss the case. Further, the plaintiff's dismissal comes shortly after Archer filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuit on October 13. According to industry journal Flight Global, Pomerantz, an active litigator of class action suits leveled against multiple enterprises, originally filed the complaint against Archer. Per the suit, Pomerantz argued that Archer's CEO Adam Goldstein and others misled investors by stating that the advanced aircraft manufacturer aims to carry passengers in 2025. Using information provided by short seller firm Grizzly Research, the lawsuit alleged that certification of Archer's Midnight aircraft remains years away. Also, launching commercial operations within the next 2 years represented an unrealistic directive. For its part, Archer's attorneys responded that the plaintiff has hastily accused Archer of fraud without any basis whatsoever. Archer stock may encounter a legal irony. At the moment, Archer has every right to be in a celebratory mood. As a relatively small enterprise, it doesn't need distractions. Therefore, the fact that the legal process just happened to move quickly to dismiss the class action lawsuit is a positive for Archer stock. Nevertheless, the irony is that Archer and the electric vertical takeoff and landing industry will need the legal wins to accelerate, this time to establish a firm regulatory framework from which to launch. While it's not accurate to characterize the U.S. electric vertical takeoff and landing landscape as completely unregulated, the Federal Aviation Administration is actively developing safety standards and regulations. Put simply, legal clarification regarding electric vertical takeoff and landing transport needs to catch up with the underlying innovation. That's a matter that can't be dismissed if Archer's stock is to fly higher. Another potential roadblock is the air traffic congestion dilemma. While electric vertical takeoff and landings leverage many advantages, particularly their far quieter noise emissions relative to helicopters, urban residents may not want that attribute to yield a saturation of electric aircraft in the skies. That's another challenge for the FAA, which would necessarily impact Archer stock. Finally, while Archer has been a big winner in the market so far this year, it still faces credibility challenges. Since its public market debut, Archer lost about half its equity value. Why it matters? In the past 3 months, analysts covering Archer stock peg shares a unanimous strong buy. This assessment stems from 4 expert voices. On average, the price target lands at $9.50, implying over 93% upside potential. Thanks for watching.